Our Captain flux core wire for mild steel that is self-shielded, no shielding gas required. It passed by Germany's TUV testing, E71T GS, 0.030 inch, and the heavy is 2 pounds. Now let's open it. As you can see, here is a vacuum package. Can be stored for a long time, will not be easily damaged. Also, it wrapped with paper protecting. Best suited to single-pass, multi-pass applications and all position, runs hotter than solid wires. Here is an Captain MIG welder. Let me show you how to install this flexible wire easily and quickly. Firstly, open the top cover of the machine. Place wire onto spool holder. And next, tighten the knob on the wire. Now, feed wire from the inlet guide tube into the drive roller. Don't forget to rotate for a couple rounds. To be clear, make sure the wire has passed through the drive roller successfully. Close down the top roller bracket and click the pressure arm into place. Finally, close the cover back and turn the machine on. Press the button of torch and the wires coming out. Now let's get to burning. I weld up to 3/8 inch plate, sometimes thicker with preheating. Great wire feeding speed, less butter, and as well really consistently nice crisp arc. Pretty smooth. Full slack coverage, remove slack easily, nice and smooth welds. So, this is the flux core wire of our Captain.